Okay, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Age Technology Screens using smart technology gain. This right here is my 4x8 plexiglass screen that's actually screwed onto my wall. I used, they actually recoated the screen. It used to be, it wasn't Ultra 4K. Then it was recoated over to a platinum slate Nano. And now I converted it to a black screen. So now it's converted to the Nano Black. And I love this screen. I like it better in black. I like the way the colors pop. It has good white levels. It looks absolutely fantastic. And I was able to coat this on in no time at all. Now if you're curious to see the before, the before where I had the tape around the screen and how it doesn't show how I painted it, but it just shows the tape around the screen when I just finished the screen. I did a demonstration off of it. I'll post it at the bottom. As for a projector, I'm using my ultra short throw. This is my Epson 2600 lumen projector, 720p. It is, the model number is the 475Wi. Keep in mind, this is an interactive projector. Once I get the interactive pens here, I can start writing on the screen. Very cool interactive projector. Usually, the cheapest one I've seen on this projector was around $1,700. I've seen $1,700, $1,800 for these projectors. I was lucky to get a very good deal from a fantastic vendor on eBay. I paid about $230 for the projector, and it looks fantastic. Now keep in mind, we're doing this in a fully lit environment. I've done this demonstration in this environment at with a long throw projector at 1080p. I've done it on in fully lit environment. I've done it on a short throw projector, and now I have an ultra short throw projector, which by Epson. Alright, so I want to talk about really quick. Oh yeah, so one of the things I want to explain to you, if you watch my demonstrations, you'll notice that I'm not showing you the same screen over and over again, and I'm not showing you the same environment over and over again. My environment changes, so you'll see my screen from upstairs, you'll see it from silver to black to platinum, you'll see it upstairs, you'll see it in the, I have in my gaming room. Of course the light's different down here, and then you'll see it downstairs in the workshop in the basement, or you'll see it in my living room. So the screens constantly change, the environment constantly changes. I have them outside, I have them indoor, I test them with long throw, short throw, ultra short throw, 200 lumen projectors, even down to those cheap knockoff projectors to show you how advanced these screens are. And this screen, I'm loving this in my office. So for me, I can't be in a dark environment, especially when it comes to my office, because I have a lot of work, things I have to do, contracts and all that good stuff right there. So I have a lot of work that has to be done, and I need as much light as possible in my office area. I have to have as much light as possible. So it can't be dark in here. Alright, so for those of you that are curious, want to see it with the lights off, here we go. Alright, so that's with the overhead light out. And then we'll come over here. These are my Mario lights. I love these lights, they're pretty cool. I'll take this one out. Right there. There you go. 2600 lumens uncalibrated. Projector has still in its factory default settings. No form of 4K upscale. This is 720p only on this projector. I think it does 1080 odd. That's the highest it does. But I've got it set for 720p. Aquarium. And this is our Nano Black spray-on 3D and 4K ready screen paint on plexiglass using an Epson ultra short throw projector. And this is how close my projector is sitting to the screen using ultra short throw. I've gotten a lot of comments from people asking me, have I tested the screens on ultra short throw? Well, there you go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'll do some more later on tomorrow. I have to go. I got a lot more work to do, a lot more contracts. I've got a few more contracts that came up today for that that new invisible Nano, which is going to be an amazing screen. I'm actually thinking about putting one downstairs. I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Thank you all for your time.